is Aaron Ople, and this is my reflection about supply chain management strategy. Supply chain management strategy plays a critical role in modern business, particularly in ensuring operational efficiency, customer satisfaction, and overall competitiveness. Reflecting on its importance, I realize how deeply interconnected every aspect of the supply chain is, from sourcing raw materials to delivering finished products to end customer. A well executed strategy not only reduces costs but also mitigates risk, enhance flexibility, and foster innovation. One key insight is that supply chain strategy must align with the overall business objectives. For example, a company focused on sustainability must incorporation green logistics and ethical sourcing into supply chain management practices. Similarly, business prioritizing speed to market need strategies emphasizing agility and real data analytics. Technology of role in SCM is transformative innovation like AI, blockchain, and LAT enable more precise demand forecasting, improved transparency, and streamlined operation. This reinforces the importance of embracing digital transformation to stay ahead in a competitive environment. And another critical aspect is collaboration. Strong partnership with suppliers, manufacturers, and distributors build a resilient and adaptive supply. Trust and communication. With these relationships, help navigate disruptions like natural disaster or geopolitical challenges.